Why has Snapchat become popular? We live in a society, in a reality where people are ready to work for recognition, fame, or money. At a time when millions of people are doing everything in their power to stay in history. But some stories are destined to remain only in the memory of our friends and disappear forever. At least on Snapchat. Hi everyone, you're on the Air Creators channel, and today we will talk about Snapchat and see how the app has earned the love of millions of users. Click like if the application is installed on your phone. And here we go. Let's start with a little history. Stanford University has given us many famous alumni. Google founders Sergey Brin and Larry Page, golfer Tiger Woods, actress Reese Witherspoon, and many others. Evan Spiegel, Reggie Brown, and Bobby Murphy are no exception. It was they who launched Snapchat in 2011. Once, Brown sent his unsuccessful picture and told Spiegel about it. Reggie noted that it would be great to come up with a messenger with self-destructing photos. Then Evan called it $1 million idea and set to work on the design of the future service. Murphy became the developer and Brown became the chief marketing officer. California school children quickly helped the application to reach the top. They say just two can keep a secret if one of them is dead. Well, not anymore. Disappearing messages gave teens the privacy they needed. The service allowed the exchange of information bypassing the gaze of parents and teachers. Plus, Snapchat worked over Wi-Fi, that is, sending messages did not affect the family budget in any way. Also, the application was supported on all devices with iOS and Android operating systems. You can even chat via iPod. 2 weeks later, Evan and Bobby noticed an influx of new users with a spike in activity between 8 a.m. and 3 p.m. The highest activity was at high school in Orange County, California. As it turned out, Spiegel's mom told his cousin about the app. It was he who showed the service to friends, after which the whole school began to use it. Well, it's time to say thank you, Mom. What's the secret of success? Basic functions, stories, filters, front-facing flash, emoji, as well as playback and screenshot of the message. The simplicity of expressing feelings has given many teenagers the opportunity to escape from adult supervision. Snapchat opened the door to the formation of self-identity for many students. Instant photos that disappear after viewing allowed children to speak without leaving any traces. The teachers were no longer asked to read the notes aloud, and there was nothing to hide from the parents. And while adults complained that children had forgotten how to write, Snapchat showed that words were not needed at all. In April 2013, 150 million images per day passed through Snapchat, which increased to 200 million per day in June. Facebook no longer suited the youth of today. They noted that the social networks provokes ridicule from classmates and parents constantly interfere in their lives. The main feature of Snapchat is privacy. But in 2015, Global Web Index, an analytic company, denied this. Among the surveyed users, 69% chose the answer, "It's fun to use." Remember, they created stories. With the launch of Stories, a collection of photos and video that are erased after 24 hours, the service has attracted sports channels to publish online broadcasts of events, as well as major brands such as McDonald's, General Electric, and Taco Bell. In addition, Snapchat bought the Odessa-based startup Luxury for $150 million, which developed a service for transforming face images in real time. This allowed Messenger users to add animations to picture and modify photos. Snapchat has become a photo-video blog that doesn't need to be maintained. No one will like your photos, and the picture themselves will not have to be edited to perfection. The content you create is only available for a day. Now, when applying for a job, you don't need to clean social networks from personal pictures or remove flaws on the body. This is the space for stupid selfies and funny photos with friends. How Instagram copied stories. Copying resulted in an 82% slowdown in Snapchat audience growth in mid-2016. The company said growth stalled due to technical glitches while rolling out new updates. The phrase "leave your pride and copy" has become the unofficial slogan of the Zuckerberg Corporation. He may have bought Instagram and WhatsApp, but in Stories, Mark hasn't invested a dime. Snapchat could have filed a lawsuit against Instagram if the latter copied its source code. Competition kills. New attempts to break into the top led to a redesign of the application and loss of the audience. In November 2017, the company removed the page with a list of friends. This made it more difficult to send messages. Stories stopped going in chronological order, and ads appeared in the tab with incoming messages. 3 million users refused to follow the innovations. Just one tweet from Kylie Jenner brought down the company's capitalization by $1.3 billion. In 2020, Snapchat regained its status as the most popular network among teenagers. By then, Stories are launched YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and SoundCloud. This feature has become a universal cure for boredom. With the advent of TikTok, Snapchat released its video feed on the app called Spotlight and received a response from the service of short videos with an analog of Stories. For now, Snap is focused on bringing the app's core features to the web and will build out the experience from there. That's all. Be sure to write in the comments what you think about the application and whether you use it now. By the way, if you want to hear the history of the emergence of other social networks, click on the bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.